Happy birthday, Mataji. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday to
to
you.
you. Happy birthday, dear Mataji. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you all children for singing
Thank
happy birthday
you.
and happy birthday, Mataji. We all love you, Mataji. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you, Mataji, for everything that you do for all of us. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, thank you so much. This is the best thing, getting wishes from the kids. Thank you so much. I'll share the PPT. Yes.
Happy birthday, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji, for teaching us. Mataji, how old are you now?
I'm 37. Okay. So welcome back, Mukund. Welcome back to the classes. You were in Vrindavan, right?
Yes, Mataji.
How was it?
Amazing.
Yeah, New Vrindavan is always blissful, right? Okay, so we will start with our prayers. Om Ajnanatimirandasya
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jananjalakaya Jnanam Yena
Om
Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya
Sasgurum Vedatam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Om Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Te Namana
Jai Shri Krishna
Namaste
Chaitanya
Saraswati
Prabhu
Devi
Nityananda
Gauravani Pracharini
Radharani
Shesha Sundavadi
Bhaktivinoda
Hare
Tarini
Krishna Hare
Shri Krishna
Krishna
Chaitanya
Krishna Hare
Prabhu
Hare
Nityananda Shri Advaita
Hare Rama
Gadara Shri
Rama
Advaita
Hare Hare.
Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare.
Very good. Everyone sang the prayer, right? Everyone said it?
Yes,
Mataji.
Very good. We have started reciting new verses. You all know that, right? From yesterday?
yes.
Okay. So
I was in Madhava class yesterday, Mataji, so I don't.
Who is that? Saina?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji, I didn't join yesterday.
You were not there, right? I know. We were at Harinam yesterday. So that's okay. I will say and
Me too, Mataji.
Mataji, they said we're making something today. What are we making?
I don't know. Was it posted? I also didn't see.
It's some cake, Mataji. I think it was posted in the WhatsApp group. It's some kind of cake.
Yes, it's mug cake. We will be posting the recipe again.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mataji. Mug cake?
Yes, all are excited. Okay, so we will recite these new verses. Now it is 10.35, 36, 37. So since they are new, you all can repeat.
Mataji, we didn't learn 37 yesterday.
Yeah, Mataji said that
We didn't do 37 yesterday.
we only learned 30, 34, 35, and 36. Yeah, we only learned 36 and 35.
Was it because of no time?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, those are like 7:35.
Okay,
Yeah.
Today if we get time, we will cover 37 also. Now that you know 35, 36 a little bit, we might go fast, right?
Because it's 7:32 already.
Yeah, okay. So please repeat. Bruhat sam tatha samnam. Bruhat sam tatha samnam. Gayatri Chandasam Aham. गायत्री छन्दसाम् अहम्
गायत्री चन्द्रसामहम्
मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहम्
मासानां
मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहम्
मार्गशीर्षोऽहम्
ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः
ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः
कुसुमाकरः
Look.
Everyone got all the words?
Yes, Mataji.
Anyone?
Mataji, how do you say the first line again? Wait, could you repeat? I think someone is
Okay, others please mute yourselves. Yes. Who is that who didn't get it? Saina is that? Okay. You can repeat. Brihat sama tatha samnam. Samnam. Okay. Brihat sama tatha samnam. Yes.
Mataji, I didn't get the last line.
Rutunam kusumakaraha. Rutu means seasons, right? Rutunam
Ritunam kusamarakaha.
kusumakaraha.
Kusumakara.
Kusuma means
Kusumakara.
Mataji, I still didn't, I still didn't do the verse.
Who's that?
Rudra.
Rutra, yeah, you did not repeat now?
I did, just I didn't do the whole verse yet.
Okay, do you want to repeat after me once?
Yeah.
Okay. Brihat sama Are you saying it, Rudra?
Yeah.
Gayatri Chandasam Aham.
Gayatri Chandasam
Chandrasamaham.
Masanam Margashirshooham.
Masanam Margashirshooham.
Masanam Margashirshooham. Rutunam Kusumakaraha. Rutunam Kusumakaraha. Very good. Rudra, you got it?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Any difficulty? Any word?
No, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
Okay, very good. So you all can say it in groups now. I see some of you have raised hands, others can also raise hands. Who is that? Who has name only with a dot? Who is that?
They left, Mataji.
Please have
Who's the IRP? They're joining from around.
Who's IRP?
IRP person.
IRP person.
Who is that?
IRP person.
Have your name so that I can call out those names. Okay, have your names on the name. So Abhishek.
The dot came back, Mataji.
Okay. Who is that dot?
The dot just left again.
Yeah, okay.
What is going on?
Okay, someone is playing this now.
Someone's just joining and leaving.
Yeah, no problem. So Abhishek,
Can you continue?
Abhishek, Sanvi, Sanskruti, Advait. Can you four say the verse?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Gayatri Chandasa Maham Karaha.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Very nice. Next is Kavya, Saina, Mokshit, Krishna, and Mukund. Can you say?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Gayatri Chandasa Rutunam Kumsakara
Kusumakaraha.
Kusumakara
Very good. Now,
Ramachandra
Ramachandra,
Kusumakaraha. Thank you, Mataji.
Ramachandra, Ojasvi, Dhruva, Jagdish, Karthik. Who is IRP person? Please go ahead and recite the verse.
Okay.
All of you.
Bruhat Samatatam Gayatri Chandasava Masanam Magashishroham Krishnanam Kusumakara.
Saina, you already said it, right? With the first patch?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Because I'm looking at those who are saying it newly. No problem. So next, Prasanna is, I think, Kartika, right? Kartika,
Yes, Mataji.
Rudra, and Karuna. Who is Karuna? And Shreya. All of you go ahead. Go ahead.
Bharat Sama Gayanam Nam Gayatri Chandasamaham Soham Kusmakaraha Krishnakaha.
Kusumakaraha.
Taji,
Yes.
can I say the translation?
Who's that?
It's Megha Yashashwini.
Okay, go ahead, Yashaswini.
Of the hymns in the Samaveda, I am the Bharat Sama and the property of
It's
the Gayatri months.
Samaveda.
I am Mirgasa, November, December of the seasons. I am a flower bearing in the spring.
Yes. This is Samaveda. Okay. Brihat Sama. Of the hymns in the Samaveda, Krishna is the Brihat Sama. Of poetry, he is the Gayatri. Of months, he is the Margashirsh month. And of seasons, he is the flower bearing spring season. So how Krishna is the best amongst all. Okay. Next is 1036. Please repeat. Dyutam chalayatam asmi. Dyutam chalayatam asmi. Tejas tejasvinam aham. Tejas tejasvinam aham. Jayosmi vyavasayosmi.
Wait, what's that one?
Jayosmi vyavasayosmi. Sattvam sattvatam aham. Okay, there are two V's here. So I'll repeat again.
Sattvam,
Sattva
satvata,
sattvatam aham.
sattvam, sattvatam,
Sattvatam aham.
Sattvam sattvatam
There are two V's.
Sattvam,
Sattvam
sattvatam,
aham.
Mataji, is this correct? Sattvam sattvatamaham.
Yes, there are two V's. First, even I said it wrong. It is not sattvatam. It is sattvavatam. Can you all say sattvavatam?
sattvatam, sattvatam. Is it sattvatam? Mataji, is this right? Satyam, sattvatam.
Sattvam
Satyam,
sattvatam
sattvatam.
Very good, very nice. It is not
Mataji, I had a confusion on one word. After Jayosmi, what's that word starting with a V?
Vyavasayosmi.
Vavasayosmi.
Yes.
Vavasayosmi.
Each and every letter, you put your glance on each.
So it's Vavasayosmi.
Yes. Glance at each letter one by
Mataji,
Yes.
really quick, what's after Tejas in the second line?
Tejasvinam aham. Tejasvinam aham.
Vanaham.
Vinam, there is N, right? Tejas.
Vinamaham.
Yes. So here also it's repetitive, right? Sattvam sattvavatam aham. Tejasvinam aham. Okay. Everyone got this?
Yes, Mataji.
Any doubt?
Mataji.
Okay. So we will say it. Rudra, did you get this?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So you all have raised hands now, or
Mataji, after this, are we going to do the next verse or not?
Let's see what is the time. It's
Because the time is
7:35.
7:35.
We will just say, we will not go in groups. I will say and you all just repeat 2-3 times. Then we'll move ahead, okay? This one we will do in groups. Can you all raise your hands again? Just quickly, I will do it in big groups. Samskruti, Saina, Shreya and Dhruva, go ahead.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Okay, next is Abhishek Sanvi, Kavya Advait.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Sattvatam.
Thank you,
Yes,
Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Rudra, did you say this verse?
No, Mataji.
Okay, Rudra, Advait, Mukund, Aditya.
Mataji, I already said it. It's Advait.
Sorry,
Hey,
okay.
Mataji, I didn't say it. Did you call
I
me?
was calling your name. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, I
Advait.
didn't hear you.
Rudra, Ramachandra, Mukund,
Amma?
Kartika and Aditya. Go ahead.
Okay, Mataji.
Yashaswini. Sorry, Yashaswini.
Dyutam chalayatam Jayosmi vyavasayosmi Sattvam sattvatam.
Very good.
Yes, Mataji.
Anyone wants to say this verse? Ojasvi Varun Mokshit. Ojasvi Varun.
Mataji, I already said it.
Okay then.
Mataji, can I tell?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Can I tell?
Yes, go ahead.
Mataji, can Ojasvi tell the sloka?
Mataji, can I tell?
Ojasvi, Krishna, Varun, Karthik, Mokshit, whoever did not say, please go ahead.
Dyutam
Very good. Anyone else wants to say? Okay, let me see who can read the translation.
Mataji, can Advait read the translation?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. I am also the gambling of cheats. I am the splendid of the splendor. I am victory. I am adventure. I am the strength of the strong. Thank you, Mataji.
See, how nice. Next, we will just say, you all just repeat, okay? Let's not have the group recitation. Just 2-3 times we will say this. Vrishinam Vasudevosmi.
Vrishinam Vasudevosmi.
Vrishinam Vasudevosmi.
Vrishinam Vasudevosmi.
Pandavanam
Dhananjaya.
Pandavanam Dhananjaya.
Pandavanam Dhananjaya.
Pandavanam Dhananjaya.
Namapiham
Muninam
swasya.
apyaham vyasa.
Muninam
Muninam apyaham vyasa. Kavinam ushana kavihi. Kavinam ushana kavihi. So everyone got this verse?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Any difficulty?
Wait,
Mataji,
Mataji.
Yes,
how
go
do you
ahead.
say the third line, Mataji?
Muninam apyaham vyasaha.
Muninam apaham vasaha.
Apya, there is YA, right? Apyaham vyasaha.
Muninam apyaham vasaha.
Vyasaha.
Yes.
Mataji, can you please tell me how to say the second line, please?
Pandavanam. Pandava, you know Pandav, right? Kaurava.
Yeah,
Pandavanam Dhananjaya.
Pandavanam Dhananjaya.
Yes. Is
Thank you,
Arjun.
Mataji.
Dhananjaya means Arjun. So what Krishna says here, who wants to read this one?
Mataji, can
Can I read the translation?
Can
Krishna, go ahead.
Mataji, can Sanvi read the translation?
Okay, I have told Krishna. Can you say the word? Can you say the translation, Krishna?
Can Rucha go?
Vasudevosmi Pandavanam Dhananjaya. Mataji, weren't we supposed to read the
Weren't they
translation?
supposed to read the translation?
Finish that.
Apyaham Vayasa Kavinam Usana Kavi.
Okay, that's fine. He either said the verse. Rudra, can you read the
Can
translation?
I read the translation? Oh.
Can I read the
Okay.
translation?
Rudra, can you read the translation, please?
Yes. Of the descendants of Vishnu, I am Vasudev. Of the Pandavas, I am Arjun. Of the sages, I am Vyasa, and among the thinkers, I am
Ushana.
Ushana.
Yes, very nice. Okay, so we will practice these verses every day, so you will get it slowly. So let's move to our next session, qualities of Krishna.
Mataji, this session's almost done. We're at 57, 59, right?
It's been going on, and now we are almost towards the end.
So probably by next week we're done.
Yes, probably yes. By next week or
Then what will we do,
Earlier when
Mataji,
you're
once
putting
we're done?
We will plan out something interesting. Again, another next interesting session. So these are all the qualities.
Mataji will finish all of them on Tuesday.
Okay. Okay, so next Tuesday probably I'll give you the last quality, right? And then we'll see. So 59th quality is Krishna gives salvation to the enemies that he kills. What is salvation?
Liberation, Mataji. You go to
Liberation,
Goloka
Mataji.
Vrindavan. It's liberation.
Yes, and he gives it to whom?
The demon.
The demons that he kills. The demons that he
Yes, yes. It's wonderful, right? We will see more in detail. So salvation means deliverance from sins. Okay. It is also called as Apavarga in Sanskrit. So what is the Sanskrit name for salvation? Can you all say?
Raga.
Apavarga.
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 Salvation. What is Apavarga?
Apavarga.
Apavarga.
Apavarga is
Apavarga
opposite
is
to
the opposite of
Apavarga.
Pavarga.
Varga.
Pavarga.
What is Pavarga?
Actually,
It
here you
means
can have a short line.
various miserable conditions of material existence.
Yeah, we will go to there. We'll go there. Wait. So it is opposite to Pavarga. What is Pavarga? Means-
Pavarga is material life. Pavarga.
Yeah. So
Pavarga.
let me read. So it means various miserable conditions of material existence. Can you all please mute? Please. There is lot of sound coming. Thank you. So Pavarga means it has, so you can see what is Pavarga. So now anyone remembers we learned Devanagiri. In that we have Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha and all those words, right? So Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha is Ka Varga. Cha, Cha, Ja, Jhana is Cha Varga. So Pa Varga means Pa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma. And from each of these letters, we have these words. What are those words? Pa means Parabhava. Parabhava means defeat. So these are all miserable conditions of material existence, which are given in the Pa Varga. Pa means Parabhava, means defeat. Fa means Fena. Fena means it's a foam that is found on the mouth when one is very tired. So have you seen a horse? It gets that foam sometimes around its mouth. Who all have observed that? Anyone has observed that foam, it gets created around the mouth? It's not very so good thing to see. I think you cannot unmute.
Yes, Mataji, we can.
Yeah,
No,
right?
Mataji, I don't think anyone's seen it.
Okay, but you can imagine.
I've never
why
seen
that
it.
happens when someone is so
Me neither.
exhausted. When someone is so exhausted of working hard and hard and hard, that times it gets created. Like horse keeps on chewing and chewing and chewing and chewing, and then it gets that foam around his mouth. Then ba means bandha means bondage. Bha means bhiti means fearfulness. Ma means mriti, which is death. All these are miserable conditions of this material existence. Because we are in this material world, we have all of this. Defeat is there because material was struggle for existence. We are simply meeting defeat, right? We have to conquer birth, death, disease, and old age. And there is no possibility of overcoming these miserable conditions. Do you think we can avoid death? Do you think we can avoid disease? Do you think we can avoid old age? No, they
No.
will come. in
No,
a
Mataji.
So
But
if
Mataji, our body can't avoid it.
we cannot, because due to the illusion of Maya, we are simply meeting with these defeats. We cannot overcome this. Fena means exhaustion. Ba means bondage and fearfulness and death. So Pavarga means our struggle for existence and our meeting with defeat, exhaustion, bondage, fearfulness, and death. Apavarga is opposite to that. So we saw this Pavarga. Now Apavarga means that which can nullify all of these material conditions. So all these material conditions get nullified. They become zero. Because Krishna is said to be the giver of Apavarga, the path of liberation. You got this one? Salvation.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, salvation means apavarga.
Yeah.
Apavarga is opposite to pavarga. Pavarga, we saw all these words. Pafa, bhama. And then this apavarga means which nullifies these material conditions. And Krishna gives this salvation even to the enemies, to all the demons he killed, most of them. So we have this story of Aghasura, right? Who all know this story?
Me,
Mataji.
Mataji.
We
I
will
even know.
It's in Little Krishna.
Aghasura is a big
I
know
even
it,
seen the
Mataji.
one
Yeah,
from
I
Little
know it.
Krishna, Mataji.
Yeah, it's in
Mataji, I've
Little
seen the video
Krishna.
from Little Krishna.
Yeah, it's in Little Krishna and Leela.
Yes, it is in Little Krishna. Most of you have watched that movie, and it is a big python. And all the gopas see that and they think, what is this? They all get so curious. They think, oh, it's a new toy, or is it a cave? Is it a new road or way to go through? And out of curiosity, all the gopas go inside. Krishna is watching them. So Krishna also goes inside Aghasura's mouth. And what he does, he kills him, right? And when Krishna kills him, and Krishna is still inside, he has not come out. Krishna is still inside, he has killed him, he's still in the mouth, in the stomach. What happens first? One effulgence comes out of Python's body. You can imagine that, right? One bright light comes out first. And then what happens when Krishna
Mataji.
comes out? Yes,
What is effulgence?
effulgence is bright light.
Bright light.
Krishna has effulgence, right? Sun also has effulgence, like small particles in that effulgence. Krishna also has, that is called Brahma Jyoti. So Python's mouth also, one bright light came first. And when Krishna came out, that bright light merged into Krishna. So first that this, it's mentioned here. The effulgence came out from the python's body and became purified, attaining spiritual Shuddha Sattva, freedom from material contamination. So he got freedom from material contamination. Why? Because Krishna stayed within serpent's body. He stayed in his body even after serpent's death. For some time, the effulgence remained outside. It remained outside until Krishna came out individually and did not mix with the whole effulgence, the Brahma Jyoti. The Brahman effulgence is not visible to materialize, but to prove that every living being is individual. So everyone is individual. But when Mayavadis are there, they think that we can merge, we are one with the God because they merge. No, but everyone is individual. And to show that, it remained outside individually, and later when Krishna came, it merged. One may doubt that such a demon full of mischievous activities could attain the liberation, and one may be astonished about this. But Krishna is so kind. We can think, right, how such a demon got liberation. But Krishna is so merciful, is so kind. In order to drive away such doubts, he had the effulgence, the individual life of the python, wait for some time in its individuality in the presence of all the demigods. And all the demigods saw that what was happening, the python's effulgence that came out individually, and then when Krishna came out, it merged, and then all the demons, they saw that. So this is how Aghasura got the salvation. Krishna,
Wait, so the effulgence only merged when Krishna came?
yes. Okay. There is another one. We know this Bakasur story.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Broke his beak.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, this story is also in Little Krishna.
Yes,
Mataji.
Yeah, he just broke her beak. Her or his.
yes.
Mataji, there will be one. I saw all the parts of Krishna, but not like this. I saw it in one kidsy way, in 3D shape. There will be one Krishna, right? And the fire will come in the eagle.
Yes, very nice.
I saw that one. That was my favorite. And I saw the Ganesha one just like it, that too.
Nice. You have seen Little Krishna?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
That who have not watched can watch. That's beautiful one. So Krishna and all cowherd boys, they would go to Yamuna river to play, right? Then one day what happened? While the cowherd boys and calves drank the water and they started playing, but suddenly they saw a huge animal.
Mataji, I don't think
Yeah.
Bakasura got sent by Kamsa, right?
No, I think.
Agasura, yeah, but I don't think Bakasura.
Yeah.
Bakasura is sent by.
No, Bakasura is sent by Kansa.
I think most of the demons
Yeah.
were sent by Kamsa. Most
This
of
is Bakasura is sent by
almost
Kamsa
every
to.
day. Almost every day, demons would come to kill him. Kamsa would
Yes.
keep trying, keep sending demons to kill him.
Kamsa didn't send this one. Bakasura, Purtana is there, right? Bakasura.
Putana he sent. Putana also
Yeah.
he sent.
Bakasura's sister Purtana is, so he came to kill Krishna because.
Yeah, Mataji, because even in Little Krishna, it
Yes.
doesn't show like Kamsa sends
And
Bakasura, but the
I
devotee,
am sure
but
of
the demons, but like the demons that
He does. He
Kamsa
tells
sent, it
Bakasura
shows.
to go, and Bakasura agrees because he wants to get revenge.
Okay, I
No,
will
that's
sure of
Agasura.
that. Let's read the story. I'll make
Bakasura.
sure of that. Okay, even I am not sure. So Baka means duck and Sura means demon. So Bakasura came in the form of a duck as big as quickly hill, and Bakasura attacked Krishna with his sharp pointed beak and swallowed him up. But the glow from Krishna's body was so hot that demon immediately spit Krishna out. So what happened then? Bakasura tried to kill Krishna by pinching him between his beaks. But Krishna got away, and Krishna then grabbed the two beaks of duck like demon, and in front of his cowherd boyfriends, Krishna pulled them apart. And when demon was dead, flowers fell from the sky. So that was also witnessed by the demigods in the heaven. And they all started to play these bugles, drums, conch shells, and everything. So this way, even Krishna also liberated Bakasura, and we all know the story of Putana, right? How she came and
Yeah, Mataji.
she took the form of a beautiful lady, and then she was okay. Mataji is ready. Mataji, just give me 2 minutes. So she actually she was started to feed milk to Krishna, right? So because of that,
She was feeding the. She came back and saw the Krishna first, and then she came back. to
Yes,
Krishna
she wanted to feed
First
Krishna
she
to kill him.
and
She
kept
wanted
the
to
snake
feed
poison
Krishna
in
to
the
kill
milk
him.
and kept it in Krishna's mouth. But when she saw, he was sucking her life.
yes, life breath, yes. And then because she offered him milk, she was liberated to the spiritual world and got a same position.
Yeah, so she had poison in that
Krishna's
milk,
mother.
and then she saw Krishna
Yeah.
sucking in life, and she suddenly feels like a heart attack, and then she died.
Yeah, so when they all burnt her body, then what happened? Good aroma came from the
They
smoke.
needed to burn it in pieces.
This way we can see how she also got liberated. Okay, so how all these past
Yes, Mataji.
Krishna kills demons, most of them got liberated because this is Krishna's quality where he gives salvation to the enemies.
And
Mataji, also those three are like the first demons Krishna kills.
Mataji,
So we all get ready
Putana-
now with your ingredients. Mataji is here, so I will stop here. Thank you so much. All can join the cooking
Hare
class.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everybody. How are you?
Don't leave.
I don't have a
Hare
microwave.
Krishna.
Can I still do it? I don't have a microwave. Can I still do
Yeah,
it?
even I don't have a microwave. Oh, you don't have a microwave? Yeah, but we have an oven.
Yeah, you can do in that just for few seconds, okay? Okay, I think so Mataji, Vinita Mataji already she posted the ingredients in the chat. And I'll also let you all know, you can use all-purpose flour. Close this.
Can this be done by whole wheat too, Mataji? Whole wheat flour?
Sorry, this can be done by?
Can this be done by whole wheat flour too if you want to use that?
Yes, yes, it can be done with that also. So you can take like 4 tablespoons of wheat flour or all-purpose flour, whatever is available for you or whatever you want to do it, okay? If you don't want to use all-purpose flour, you can use wheat flour, okay? And we are using some powder sugar, milk, some baking soda, baking powder. Okay. And vanilla essence. If you have any cream, that is also optional. So whipping cream or
I
anything.
don't want chocolate thingy.
And some butter, melted butter. We use very less quantity. We are just using for decoration. If you want anything, you can use. I just brought this. This is also optional. Okay.
Mataji, can you use all-purpose flour instead of wheat flour?
Yes, yes, you can use. Even I'm using all-purpose flour.
Yeah,
You can use-
because she's using Maida.
yeah,
Yeah, I know, but you can also use atta, right, Mataji?
yeah. Atta. Atta means that's what wheat flour is. Atta.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you can use a wheat flour or all-purpose.
Yeah, wheat flour or maida. And if you want any size of mug, any cup, you can take. Okay, I'm just taking this size. And one.
That's my cup.
Okay, this is you make here. I'll make it here. Okay.
Oh, this is my cup.
So now just take. I'm just using the measuring spoon of 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. So with this, we'll be taking 4 spoons of all-purpose flour.
I'm making mud cake. Mug cake. Oh, you made Franchi.
Mataji, can you repeat like all as you added?
I just added only the all-purpose flour right now. Just
How many?
4 tablespoons.
Mataji, I can't use a mug because we're offering it. So can I just use like a cup or something?
Yeah,
Like that?
whatever, like, reusable cups you will be having, right? You can use that. Okay.
Not plastic because then it's gonna get melted.
Yeah, which are like microwave safe or oven safe. You can use that. You can just use a bowl also.
Mataji, I'm still doing it.
Four tablespoons, right?
Yeah, 4 tablespoons.
Wait, what flour? All-purpose flour?
Yeah, all-purpose flour, 4 spoons.
Atta or Maida?
You can use any flour actually.
Yeah.
Mataji said you can use wheat flour.
Yeah, whatever is available for you, you can use that.
Is this
Okay.
wheat
I have
flour?
all-purpose flour.
And now I'm just taking powder sugar.
Is this how much?
Mataji, Mataji, can we directly do it in a mug?
Yes, you can do directly in the mug. Or if you want to use any bowl or anything also, you can do. Whatever you have available, you can do that, okay?
How many?
2 tablespoons of powder sugar.
Powdered sugar do you put?
Yeah, 2 tablespoons.
2
Actually,
tablespoons. Okay.
yeah, if you have condensed milk, you can use half tablespoon of condensed milk. Otherwise, you can just use 2 tablespoons of powder sugar directly, okay?
Can you use normal sugar?
Yeah, even that is also fine. Whatever, you can add little more. 1 teaspoon means like this, full it should be there. So just see, it should be full like this. So then,
Wait, Mataji, is it 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar or
Yes,
2
yes.
teaspoons of powdered sugar?
2 tablespoons.
Tablespoons.
Okay, Mataji.
So whatever you have taken, the flour,
Mataji,
half
so
of that.
after you add your wheat flour, it's 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar.
Yes.
Mataji, I have condensed milk. How much condensed milk do you?
But Mataji,
If you have condensed milk, you can use half spoon of condensed milk and 1 spoon of, like 1.5 spoon of sugar. Otherwise, you can just use 2 spoons of sugar. Okay.
And also Mataji, so does it have to be powdered sugar or can you just use like the normal sugar you buy?
Yeah, that's fine. Normal sugar is also fine. If it is powder sugar, it will come very smoothly. But if you have like cane sugar or anything, you can use that.
Mataji, how much sugar should we put in?
2 tablespoons.
But in the WhatsApp group, it's 1.5.
Yeah, I just gave 1.5. I tried morning. I felt like the sugar was little less. So I'm just
Okay,
adding
Mataji.
half spoon more. And we are just using the baking powder, like 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of baking soda or powder?
Wait, Mataji, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, right?
No, baking powder, sorry. Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Baking.
Yeah, 1
Crazy. So Mataji, Mataji, so once you add your powder, once you add your powdered sugar, you add your baking powder.
Yes, baking powder.
I added a pinch. Do we need to add? Wait, Mataji, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, right?
1 teaspoon.
1
Small,
teaspoon.
less, yeah, less quantity. Small.
Mataji, how
Oh,
about
not
soda?
tablespoon, Mataji, it's teaspoon.
Yeah, teaspoon. Oh, did you add tablespoon? Shine. It's a small, less quantity, okay?
No, I haven't
Mataji,
added
how
it.
about
Oh,
soda?
Mataji, I haven't added it yet, but now I'm going to add it.
Okay, now you can add it, okay?
It's baking powder, right?
Yes, baking powder. And baking soda, just half a pinch, like, you know, right? Pinch means, I'll show you.
How much baking powder?
See, use your thumb finger and the pointing finger. And then this is pinch, just add like this.
Wait, so what do you add a pinch of?
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Wait. You can also take pinch and add in your cup.
This much.
You can add little more.
This much.
After that, with water, we have to mix.
Not with the water. Just mix with your spoon or anything. These are all the dry ingredients. Just
Hey.
try to mix with the fork or spoon, whatever is available for you.
Okay. Mix.
Mataji, have you added your baking soda yet? Or?
She did.
Yeah.
1/2 teaspoon.
Soda also I added.
Pinch of baking soda.
Yes.
So also, so same amount of baking soda after the baking powder?
No. Baking
Pinch.
soda is very less. Pinch of baking soda and baking powder.
Okay.
1 teaspoon.
So half a pinch?
Just a pinch.
Okay.
Very little, okay?
Okay,
You're adding
so
already like baking
is
powder.
one Mataji is 1 pinch equal to 1 teaspoon?
No. It is
no, it's
very
much
less,
less.
like, yeah, too much.
No,
Okay.
1 pinch is like holding your middle finger and your thumb together
Yeah,
and
okay.
just taking it off the spoon
Yeah,
and
okay,
dropping.
so Mataji, so less baking soda because it says 1 pinch of baking powder and only half a pinch of baking soda. So less baking.
Yeah, less baking soda.
Baking soda is less and baking powder you can add like 1 teaspoon. Okay.
Yeah, I was there for like
Okay,
5.
next we'll go with next step. I'm just take your milk and add 2
Mataji,
tables.
Mataji is regular milk, right? Not like condensed milk or anything, right?
No, regular milk.
Okay.
Regular.
How much?
2 tablespoons.
2
First you add 2
tablespoons.
tablespoons. We'll mix it and just see if we required more. We'll add it. Okay.
Yeah, how much milk? 2 tablespoons.
Yeah. Right now 2
2
tablespoons.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons.
Just try to mix it.
It's not working. It's too
You added little less. If you want, you can add.
Okay, give me.
I'm just adding little more. One more tablespoon I'm adding, okay? You can add this. And try to mix it.
Hand.
Just use like this, don't use your hand. Try to mix it from the bottom.
Mataji, so there are 2 tablespoons of milk. Then what do I do after I add the 2 tablespoons of milk?
I think so everything is mixed here. All the powder from the bottom is everything is mixed.
Okay, so
Try to
Mataji,
mix
after I add my milk, do I mix it?
Yes, mix it, completely mix it. So
Do
that
I
it
add
should
my
become like
butter
a
any? Mataji, do I add my butter or vanilla essence?
after mixing, we'll add butter.
Okay.
Just try
So
to mix
first I
it,
have to
everything.
mix it. So
Yes.
first I have to mix it. Okay.
Yes.
Mataji,
Huh.
is it just butter or like do we have to melt the butter or something?
Milk.
Yeah, if it is melted, it will be easy.
Okay.
To mix it for mixing purpose, it will be easy if you melt it, okay?
Okay, Mataji, thank you.
See, mine is almost everything is mixed from the bottom. Just try to make it from the bottom, everything. So it became not too soft and not too thick. The batter should be in this way. I don't know you're able to see or not, okay?
Mataji, did you do anything after you mix the milk?
No, I just mixed it. Now add butter.
I'm not done. I'm not done.
Don't do it. And add 1 tablespoon of butter.
How much melted butter, Mataji? 1 tablespoon?
Yes,
Butter.
1 tablespoon of butter.
1 tablespoon, okay.
No,
See.
stick to my spoon.
That's what, don't add too much. Now add the butter, it will not stick.
Okay.
And again, try to mix it, okay?
Wow.
Mataji, can we add butter?
Yes, add butter. I already added the butter. After milk, I mixed it and then added butter.
Wait, Mataji, how much butter are you supposed to put in?
1
1
tablespoon.
Mataji, is this the right kind of butter?
Yeah, you can add it. Is it soft, room temperature?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, add it and mix it completely. See, it is mine is completely now.
Mataji, so after we add the butter, do we mix it again?
Yes, we have to mix it. Why? Because everything should be mixed right from the bottom.
Okay.
That's why you-
So after I added 1 tablespoon of butter, so then you mix it.
Mix it, and now I'm using the vanilla essence.
How much vanilla essence, Mataji?
Half teaspoon.
Okay, half teaspoon.
Pour it in here.
Mix it, okay.
That was like half tablespoon. That's a lot.
Yeah, half teaspoon.
Mataji,
Mm.
can I use cinnamon or ilachi?
Yes. Whatever you have, you can use it. It's just for the
Mataji,
flavor.
Mataji, if you don't have cream, is it okay? I don't have cream, so then what do I do?
Just leave it. That's fine.
Okay, so after you mix, do I add the vanilla essence in?
Yeah, now we are adding vanilla essence.
Is the vanilla essence, do you add 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon?
No, half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon, okay.
Wait, Mataji.
Mm.
So, do you add the vanilla essence then add the whipping cream?
If you have whipping cream, you can add whipping cream little bit.
Oh,
Whoever don't
whipped
have, they
cream
can
or-
skip that part.
Wait, Mataji, whipped cream or some other?
Any cream if you have, or malai if you have, whatever you have, you can add it or you can skip it also. That's fine because
Wait, Mataji. So after, do you add the whipping cream before the vanilla?
We add the
essence
cream
or after?
before. You add the cream before.
it's enough.
No, it's mine.
Cream
someone
first if you have it, and then
Yeah,
Wait,
if
how
you
much
have
of
cream,
cream do you add?
it's also just a half teaspoon is fine.
Oh, so half teaspoon of vanilla essence and half teaspoon of
Yeah.
whipping cream.
Yes, whipping cream.
Wait, Mataji, you're adding your heavy whipping
anything.
Wait, Mataji, you're adding your heavy whipping cream after
yes.
your vanilla extract.
Yeah, that's fine. You, however, will be mixing it, right?
Ah,
That's fine. Yeah. Okay, it's
Good.
already 8:11. We have to do it fast. We just have only 4 to 5 minutes. Okay.
Mataji,
Mataji, okay, Mataji. After I added my essence, I'm adding I'm just going to get my cream, and then after that, is there anything else I have to do?
No, that's it.
that's it. Needs microwave or something?
Yeah, it's a microwave. Just microwave first for 1 minute.
Hardened?
Mataji, though in the ingredients it says vinegar.
It's I think so. Everybody won't have, right? That's fine. It's just a 1 drop.
Hare
So
Krishna,
it's an, you can
Mataji.
skip that.
1 drop. Okay, so that's not much use.
So if you have any, you just clean the cup neatly and just
Give me that.
you can keep this in your microwave for 1 minute.
Vanilla essence. Can you tell me what you add? With the
See, I'm just
vanilla
Mataji,
essence.
Mataji,
Mataji.
after I added my cream, after I added my cream and extract, do I have to mix it again?
Yes, mix it.
Yeah.
Completely mix it, and it should be in this texture. See that it will be in this texture.
So I will do the cream, Mataji. I'll do the cream after the essence,
Mataji,
right?
till how much time we have to put it in microwave?
Just 2 minutes, Mataji. 1 minute and stop it, and 1 minute. If you keep some toothpick, if you feel little bit, just one more 30 seconds. Just 2.5 minutes is fine, Mataji. Based on the oven, mostly 2 minutes, otherwise 2.5 minutes.
So, Mataji, so you keep it in the oven,
Mataji,
in the microwave for
microwave.
how long?
Mataji, after you, so do you do 2 minutes continuously, Mataji?
Just do for 1 minute, stop it, and then do for 1 more minute.
Okay.
Mataji,
Uh,
I don't have vinegar. Can I skip vinegar?
yeah. We did not add vinegar. Even I don't have vinegar, so I
Mataji,
skipped
instead
it.
of vinegar, can we use lemon juice?
Actually, it's just one drop. We can skip that, Mataji. It's an optional also.
Okay,
We are
Mataji.
adding little baking soda more, right? That's fine, Mataji.
Mataji, I have an oven. How much do you preheat it to? How much do you put it to? How much do you put it to? I have an oven.
Yeah. Preheat for 100 centigrade, and then just keep it, okay, for 1 or 2 minutes. That's fine.
That's it.
Karthik, can you keep this one also?
Wait, Mataji, how long do you microwave it for?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Mataji, show me your cup, Mataji, how you mixed it. It's already put it in the oven, Mataji.
Not. I'm just putting it, Mataji.
Okay. Can I see the mix, Mataji? How did you mix it?
Yeah, mix is in this way, Mataji.
Okay, it is very tight. Okay.
Yeah,
Mataji,
it's not too soft, not too tight,
I just finished.
Okay.
Mataji, I just finished mixing. So after that, Mataji, I'm ready to bake. So I do 1 minute stop, then 1 minute again, right?
Yes, Saina. Just do for
Okay,
1
and then
minute.
after that, I have a toothpick, so I can use that to test if it's good, and if I think it needs a bit more baking, 30 seconds more.
Yeah, if you want to, if you see the toothpick, if it is little bit there, then do it 30 seconds. Otherwise, 2 minutes is fine. Okay. Bring yours. Okay. Just to keep for 2 minutes. Okay. We are almost done. Just in 2 minutes we'll be done. Okay.
Mataji, I put it for 1 minute. Do I poke it with a toothpick now?
No need to poke it right now. Just open it and close it and keep 1 more minute.
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji, mine is in the oven.
Okay.
I mean,
Just keep for 2 minutes. Okay, Mokshit?
okay, Mataji.
Where is the toothpick?
2 minutes is done.
Mine is done.
Okay.
Where's the toothpick?
Here.
Put for 350, Mataji.
Where?
You can keep for 100 to 120. That's fine, Prahlad.
Where?
Here, see there.
Oh.
Make it fast. Oh, it's done. Prasanna.
God, Mataji. Yes.
Looks nice. You can, if you want, you can add some whipping cream or any icing or any, you can add for the decoration.
And Mataji, where is this cream? I added whipped cream for that. Is that fine?
Yeah,
Because I had whipped cream, even if I had whipped cream, so I added it in the batter. Is that fine, Mataji?
yeah, that's fine. No,
Okay.
On the
Yeah,
top,
mine.
if you want,
Okay.
on the
Okay.
top, if
Mataji,
you want-
I put it for 1 minute, stopped it, and then put it for another minute. What do I do now?
just check it if it is done or not.
Okay. Mataji, if it's not done after 2 minutes, how much longer do you microwave it for? Is this enough?
30 seconds.
Okay, so 30 seconds longer if
Yeah.
it's not
How
done.
is it, Kavya? Just,
It's like that.
is it done? Yeah, you wait for till it cool down, then offer it and you can just open that. You can have with the spoon, okay?
Okay.
Mukund, you are showing you were showing something, certificate or something.
Yeah.
Mataji, what is the cooking time? Can you please repeat that instruction?
So whole thing you're asking what are the procedure, Mataji?
No, only the cooking time. Like your cake, the batter is ready. Just you're using the microwave, right? And microwave, our microwave doesn't have any preheat kind of a thing. So if we have to put
And
it in the microwave, what cooking
No,
time?
for
or
microwave, no need to preheat. For the oven, if you have, you can preheat, Mataji. Otherwise,
okay,
you
in
can
Fahrenheit,
just,
what is the temperature we have to do?
I think so. 100 or 120 is fine, Mataji.
That's in Celsius or Fahrenheit, Mataji?
Fahrenheit, Mataji.
Mataji, and if we're done, can we leave? Because it's 8:18.
Sain, are you
Mataji,
done? Can you show yours? Yes.
How many minutes in regular oven or how many minutes in microwave?
My camera won't work right now, Mataji, but I'll post it
I
in
think
the
so.
WhatsApp
Even in
group
that
when I-
also 2 to 3 minutes is fine, Mataji.
2-3 minutes in microwave or even in the oven
Microwave, it's
also
like
3
2
minutes.
Yeah. Below 5 minutes, it's fine, Mataji.
It
Based
will
on
be
the
little
quantity.
brownish on the top after it is done or something. Will it be little
Not
brownish?
too much, Mataji. Not too much. Little bit. That sides you can see little brown, but not too much, Mataji. It will be little.
Mataji,
Okay.
how long will you let it cool?
5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, Mataji, my camera isn't working right now, but I can post it in the WhatsApp group.
How many minutes?
So can we leave the meat if we're done? Because I understood this.
If you feel it is not done, you can keep more for 30 minutes. That's fine. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, even mine, I got it in this way.
Wait, Mataji, how long are you supposed to wait for it to cool? 10 to how many minutes?
10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Mataji, is this how you do it?
Yes, Mokshit. Yeah, it's very nice. If you want, you can add some decoration.
Add my dinosaur one.
Mataji, the cake tastes very good.
Did you like it? Thank
Think
you.
also, Mataji.
Yeah. Whenever your moms are tired or whenever you want to make for your moms or your dads, you can make them and give. Okay?
Thank you, Mataji. Really, you are teaching us very simple.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Mancha Kalpatarubhascha, Kripa Sindhu Bhayavacha, Patitanam Pavanebhyo, Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah, Sati Vaishnav ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. You can post it in the groups, okay?
I'll just remove the background and she will show you, Mataji. 1 second.
Yes, Mataji.
Vrinda, show it. Mataji, she did it.
Oh, good job, Vrinda. Offer it and taste it and let me know, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.